everybody, welcome back. Got a quick little break tonight. It is 1819 Contenders Optic basketball. There's only one autograph in this. If I remember correctly, the football version has two, so that's kind of stinky. When I ordered this, I assumed, based on that this was going to have two, but nope. That's what I get for not paying close enough attention. 6 cards total. Like I said, it's not going to take very long. So I guess what we're hoping for, obviously, is this guy and this guy to show up either on autograph or inside here in some sort of parallel format. And there is lots of that going on in here. There's the odds. Let me get it where you can see it. Yeah, there's printing plates. Red, gold, blue, orange, gold vinyl, numbered all the way down to 1. Legendary autograph, so that's possible that your auto's a vet. Lottery ticket, cracked ice, yeah. Cracked ice, blue cracked ice. Okay. Lots of stuff, so let's look at the stuffs. There's one little pack, one little box. Let's do this one little break. Not overly thick, but there's no game used in here, so alright, guess we'll just go from front to back and see what we got. Alright, our first card is Paul George. This appears to just be a regular old chrome base card, no numbering, looks good. Then we have a Jimmy Butler, and this is the like hollow silver refractor version. Again, not numbered, prism version. So nothing too crazy yet. Montrezl Harrell blue. This is numbered out of 99. Great looking card. But then we have a James Harden 3-pointers, looks to be cracked ice. Not numbered again, unless it's on the front somewhere and I'm not seeing it. This is a absolutely gorgeous card. These are all in thicker stock. You can see it's a very sturdy type of card. Yeah, I don't think I'm overlooking any number, but I'm assuming this is like a red cracked ice, I guess. Jalen Rose Class X. Again, if you like refractors, you're gonna like these cards. They look good. Then our autograph is Markkanen, and that appears to be a blue, and probably, oh, it's actually numbered to 35. So I was expecting a rookie auto and did not get that. I figured most of the autographs would be rookies. I do like this guy though, so I'm not too sad about it. I do think for what this costs for 6 cards, there really should be 2 autographs in here. I know I complain a lot about Panini, but I also give credit when credit's due. But sometimes it's just like, okay, come on, really? But anyways, that's it. That's my 6 cards. Whoop-de-doo. The Harden cracked ice, I think, is my favorite. Although, again, my autograph's not too bad. Alright, that's it. Contenders Optic. Thanks for watching. Take care, you guys. I'll be back soon.